What's the website and what's your handle?
gwvapes.com, and we're GW Vapes.
What makes you the best?
Have a look. Oh wait,
He's looking right now. Yeah.
portable charger and a vape. What are the two most important things for people nowadays? Their phone and their vape. Two in one.
We're filming every booth and every product here at Champs and putting it on YouTube.
Okay. So what's your YouTube channel?
It's Kanna Krew. He'll give you all the info. Who are we talking with?
Aaron from Goldwood.
Right on, man. Thank you. What's the website and what's your handle?
Goldwood.
Goldwood?
My handle? What do you mean?
Or whatever. Social media.
I don't have social media.
What about the company?
The company does, but let me do my research. Could I say what?
What makes it the best? Sorry. we're filming every booth and every product on Champs.
Let me get someone that's good at knowing, because I really
What's
don't
What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
A snail.
Snail?
Yeah, I don't
Was it good?
Stuff. It was a mud. Honestly, it was a mud, and it's just like the texture. I don't like the texture.
Okay, right on. Thank you. And who are we talking to?
Do I like everyone?
What's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica. Awesome. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, nice seeing you guys.
Thank you.
I already told you I'm really not good at
No, you're great. This is our cannabis. You can follow us and post on YouTube. Well, you got to scan it. Ready? We don't know. We watched it. You work here? What's the website and what's your handle?
Plena.
Plena.com?
You can say.
And what makes it the best?
It has the best flavors.
Best flavors?
Yeah, you can try them there.
We're filming every product, every booth at the show and putting it on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
What was your name?
Akmal.
Right on, man. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube. What's the website and what's your handle?
We don't have a website.
No website?
No, we're just a distributor, word of mouth.
So what if, so if someone wanted to carry it in their store, how would they?
Just direct contact.
Direct contact, they got to come to a show.
Yeah, we don't do interviews or anything like that.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Right on.
We don't even have social media.
No?
Nope.
Okay. Awesome. We've entered the shadow realm of Champs. Okay. How's it going?
I can't complain.
We're filming every booth, every product at Champs. What's the website? What's your handle?
Then what are you going to do?
Put it on YouTube.
All right.
What's the website?
We don't have a website. You know why?
Why?
Because we let our customers, so we don't want to compete with our customers. All of our customers.
You supply smoke shops.
Yeah, a lot of them.
So how would they do business
Tens
with
of
you?
thousands of smoke
How would they do business with you? Distributor?
Distributors, yeah. We have about 150 national distributors.
Okay.
And we've been around since 1972.
Okay.
So, we're very entrenched in the business.
Right on.
It's easy to find us.
Easy to find.
Everybody knows.
Everybody knows.
Thanks for stopping
Thank
by.
you. Thank you. Yeah, the Shadow Realm. What's the website and what's your handle? ChicagoImportInc.net? Awesome. And we're filming every booth, every product at the trade show, and we're putting it on YouTube. Yeah. Thank you.
Skipping this one, or are we?
No, we're gonna do this one. They're age restricting this video. Every booth, every product means every booth, every product. What up, man?
What up?
What's your website and what's your handle?
Sleeve.co is the website. Handle is Sleeve It Up 22 on Instagram. Yeah, check us out, man. Disposable, pre-lubricated pleasure sleeve for men.
Right on.
It's a good time.
We're filming every booth, every product at the show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, who are we talking to?
I'm Jeff.
Jeff. Right on. Nice to meet you.
Cheers.
Thank you. What's your name?
Molly.
Molly. And what's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Sleeve. it feels good. I gotta say that.
Right on. All right.
You guys want a sample?
Sure.
There, take try it out. Let me know.
Throw
what
it
you
on
think.
in there. Right on. Thank you.
Follow us on YouTube. We
Yes.
post the videos every day.
Hell
Scan
yeah.
it. Scan it with your phone.
We don't need that.
Without the product. The part's about the tank. So we gotta make sure if something like that we get enough without the product. Now here's some stuff. You work here?
Yeah.
All right, what's the website and what's your handle?
Love Crave is the website,
Okay.
and our Instagram handle.
Sure.
It's hashtag Love Crave.
Hashtag Love Crave.
Love Crave. Yeah.
Love Crave. Right on. We're filming every booth and every product from the show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Right on. Walk up one if you like.
Cool.
We make pleasure jewelry and fine bedside products.
Okay.
Sort of like Tiffany's and Hermes of pleasure products. Very very elevated, very sophisticated.
Okay.
You see like Madonna wears it. It's
Sure.
like, it's an iconic. Those who know know.
Okay. Right on, right on. And who are we speaking with?
Michael, I'm one of the co-founders.
Nice. Very nice to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Follow us on YouTube.
Oops. Yep. Part 8 is popping. Hello. You work here?
Yeah.
Oh, what's
Questions?
yeah? What's the website and what's your handle? Social media.
Our website is holidayproducts.com.
We're filming every booth and every product at the show, and we're putting it on YouTube. Yeah. All right, who are we speaking with?
Susan.
Susan.
Yes.
Right on. What makes your stuff the best? Real quick.
We're unique.
Unique.
Yep. Wide variety.
Okay. Right on. Awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, look. Let's talk to the same guy. Our old friend. Right, he's up here.
Number one silicone lubricant, according to the New York Times, July article, which says it's the #1 silicone lubricant. A little bit goes a long way. Watch what that does to this tattoo. See how it brings it out? It's also good for sex. That's the main thing. It's really good for sex. It's really good. So, and it brings repeat customers back to you because they put it in their store. You put it in your store, they buy it, they use it up, they come back to your store for more. And maybe they'll buy another pipe.
Repeat customers.
So thank you for your attention.
What's the website?
Have a nice sample. Uberlube.com. www.uberlube.com. We're on Amazon and most adult stores and hopefully some head shop bike stores.
We're filming every booth, every product at the show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Okay.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Thank you. The best thing I ever ate?
The weirdest thing.
The weirdest thing. I can't tell you her name. Uberlube.
Thank you.
That's funny.
Stoner vibes. So
Okay.
these are all glow-in-the-dark bondage gear with stoner leaves. So you have everything from blindfold, ball gag, the rope, and it has the tips on the end that are the cannabis leaves. You have cuffs, paddles, everything that you need for a night of stoner play. And then if you're interested in going a little behind the door, stoner butt plugs. So for behind the door, we have stoner butt plugs in small, medium, and large.
Okay.
In addition to that, this is our new blast off. So for all you gamers out there, it has a gamer control. So you turn it on here, lights up and goes through LED lights. Take off the base. You press on.
I wasn't expecting
It can go,
I
yeah.
didn't know what was going to happen.
And then it goes reverse. And it comes with headphones, or you can hear it really closely, it moans. And if you're not familiar with the really big line out there today, is creature cocks. So creature cocks are one of the most popular lines in the adult crossover counterculture space. So these are the keychains. So you can see you have a Hello Hound, which is a dog penis. You have the King Cobra, the Lord Kraken, Cookie Monster, so tentacles, octopuses, unicorns, dogs. Then we have all the slime lube. You have the heavy-duty glass tentacles. These are silicone. So this is a hugely popular line right now in the space, which is creature cocks. And if you want to have a little fantasy, then you have the creature cocks masturbators. And that's
What's the website?
thehappyendingshop.com or extremerestraints.com.
Okay. Right
Thank
on.
you.
Yeah, we're filming every booth, every product here at the show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Well, let us know.
And who are we speaking with?
I'm Autumn. I'm the owner of the Happy Ending Shop.
Right on.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh.